It's yet another double-header day, Super Sunday. We know what happened last night, where two teams, CSK and Rajasthan Royals, had the match till maybe the 18th or the 19th over. They had thought that they had won it, but somehow managed to lose it. That's how good and closely contested the IPL this year has been. We expect something, but at the end, something else happens. Tonight might be the same because the teams are so competent, so good, but there are certain teams which are struggling for consistency. That's the only case. Even in the team of even while you look at the squads or the playing 11, the first match is between such two teams, Kolkata Knight Riders versus SRH Sunrisers Hyderabad. Both teams have had their issues from day one, where they had confusion basically in getting to know whom to play and where to play. The struggle is still on for KKR, especially because they have changed the captain last night. Owen Morgan, the World Cup winning captain, definitely would be itching to go. Would be had a losing start, but definitely has the experience, has the knowledge, and also the form, batting form to turn the table. KKR, if you look at the team, it's quite strange because Morgan started with Green. I'm not very sure because not many of us has seen Green. Perhaps Morgan has seen some quality in him to pick ahead of someone like Lockie Ferguson, who's been exceptionally a good bowler in the last couple of seasons for New Zealand. He's been very good, as we all know, in the World Cup as well. Their batting woes continues. Their top three has been getting decent amount of runs, but not at a great strike rate. So they leave too much, way too far to Morgan and Russell to achieve, and they have not really hit the straps. So definitely they need to think at whom to play regarding the batting order is concerned. Whether they would still start with Rahul Tripathi and Shubman Gill, where Morgan would come in and what role Andre Russell would play. Regarding the bowling, Varun Chakravarti, as we have already been discussing in all these days, has been doing really well. He has been supported well by Pat Cummins, but on and off. Cummins comes good one day, but not really good the other. But he definitely had a great night with the bat. His batting actually helped KKR to post a decent score. The remaining bowlers, the Indian bowlers of Prasidh Krishna, Mavi was really impressive the last game. So I think the bowling is not a big concern as such, but they really miss Sunil Narayan. Sunil Narayan's suspect action has definitely put Kolkata's plans, has derailed their plans. So how they would overcome it remains to be seen. Regarding SRH, we know how good Bairstow and Warner are, but going by this strike rate of Warner, he's been getting runs, he's been getting half centuries, but the strike rates has been not up to his standards. He can do better. He really is struggling for form, even if he's getting runs. He's losing shape while going for shots, but it's time, I think, for SRH fans and management to really wish for Warner to come good, because this is a stage where the tables turn, where who finishes where is decided. Bairstow has been doing really well. So has been Manish Pandey. Their middle order yet to click, but Kane Williamson has brought something really fresh and unique to this SRH, because at number 4 he has been getting runs at a good pace and he has been batting all through the innings. That's one good factor for SRH as far as they are concerned. Their bowling definitely is being led by Rashid Khan. He's been the number one bowler for them for a long time. The absence of Bhuvneshwar Kumar is really hurting them, but the young left-arm duo of Khalil and Natarajan has done reasonably well. They would think of replacing Sandeep Sharma, might be with Siddharth Kaul or a Basil Thampi. That also remains to be seen. Shahbaz Nadeem got a game. He's been the best spinner in Indian domestic circuit for a long time, and I think he needs to get his due in this IPL version as well. So I think he might get an extended run. Overall, it's a decent side for SRH. Their middle order worries is still there. Vijay Shankar, Priyam Garg, the inexperienced duo. But I think it's going to be a good contest between two teams struggling, in fact, to pick the correct 11 and struggling for consistency. So as far as